this is where we stopped the last time. We saw that for a triangle. I don't see everybody looking at the screen. I still don't see everybody looking at the screen. So for our triangle over here, with 3 points at the corners, A, B, and C. We know that the area of this triangle is given by half times this length over here, times this length over here, times the angle in between the two sides. Okay? So if you look at your textbook on page 47, turn with me to your textbook, page 47. You are given this triangle at the top. Okay, what is the letter over here at this corner in your textbook? A. Capital or small a? Capital. Okay, let us use exactly what they are using. A, B, and C. Okay, so what is this angle over here called? Okay, we know this angle as CAB or BAC, right? So for short form, we shall call it angle A over here. Okay, just short form. Over here, we will call it angle B. And over here, the last angle, C. Okay, so far easy. Then, what is the side opposite angle B? What is the side opposite B? It is called CA, right? This is the side that is opposite angle B. So, instead of calling it CA, let us use a short form. We shall call it small b. Easy to understand? So this is small b. It is different from the capital B because the capital B now represents an angle. Small b is just representing the length of CA, which is the side opposite angle B. So what do you think we should call this side over here, BA? Let us call it small c. Okay? And what should we call this side? Okay, we call it small a. Okay? Now, right now, based on this, I can introduce you the formula, another formula for the area of triangle. Area of this triangle is given by half times A times B times sine C. Okay, this is what your friends, your classmates have been saying. Oh, area of triangle is half AB sine C. So what does that actually mean? Half is just a constant. A, is it small a or big A? Small a. So over here, this small a represents this length over here. Then we have small b. What does it represent? The length over here. And this one, sine C. This is a big C. Okay, so when you're writing a small c and a big C, you must make sure one is big and one is smaller. So over here I wrote it very big. So you know that it is angle C over here. Okay, so area of this triangle is given by half AB sine C. Who can propose another formula for the area of this triangle? Besides half times space times side. Okay, wait, hang on. Fina is saying that we can use area equals to half small c or big C? Okay, small c, small b, sine A. Okay, excellent. This is another formula for the area of this triangle. The same exact triangle. So who can name me the last one? Half A C, small c, sine B. Okay, half. Let us look at the, just now we look at the green one, let's look at the purple one now. Half times C. Where is C? Over here. Half times C times B times sine the angle in between them. One more time. Half times C times B times sine of the angle between them. You must know which angle to use, which sides to use. And of course, the last one in light blue, we have half. times small a times small c times sine angle b. Okay, these three will give you the same answer. Because it is the same triangle, of course it will have the same area. Can? Okay, now I am going to show you a special triangle. This special triangle looks like this. Okay? Okay, now what should I call this side over here? Instead of calling it BA or AB, I can also call it small c. Yeah? What about this side? What should I call it? Small b. And over here? Small a. Okay, what is the area of this triangle? Half times a times b times sine c. Okay, can we substitute in any value? Do you know any value? How much is c? 90 degrees. Okay, so it is half AB sine 90 degrees. Can you use your calculator? Help me check what is sine 90 degrees. Are you sure? Okay, hang on first. Let me just finish this example first. So sine 90 degrees, you saw that it was 1, right? So this is half AB, right? This is the area. Does it make sense? Yeah, half times base times height, isn't it? Yeah. So this is one of the relationships between the two formula for the area of triangle. Okay? So, why, Roberto, is your question how we got this? Is this your question? This one. Why? Which one? You don't understand? Yes, but if I don't want to use half times base times height, if I want to use half AB sine C, which is another formula for the area of a triangle, then I'll be writing this down. Right? This triangle is a special case where we see that sine 90 degrees is equals to 1. And that is why we get back the original formula of half times base times height. Okay? What? This one, this example over here is on right angle triangle. But this formula can be used for any triangle. Half AB sine C. Okay, you must know which one is your A, which is your B, which is your C. So let us move on to example number 6 in your textbook. You are given a triangle. This time it is P, Q, and R. This is 103 degrees. This is 6 and 5 cm. So area of triangle, you have to spell this out. You cannot just draw the triangle. Area of triangle PQR is equals to half. We cannot use half times base times height, right? Because we don't know what's the base, we don't know what's the height. We can find out, but it's going to be tedious. So we use the other formula, half AB sine C. Now in this case, am I supposed to write AB sine C? No, I don't have an A, I don't have B, I don't have C. So what should we replace them by? Half R Q. What is this R over here? Really? This R is a point which represents an angle. So I cannot write RQ over here. Okay, how about this? RQ. Is it? Okay, so now this small r represents the side QP, and then small q represents the side PR. Okay, yes, it is okay. Then we have the angle P in between the two sides. So this is alright. And I have to now substitute in the values. Our value for R will be 6. Value for Q will be 5. Then sine 103 degrees. So work this out. How much do we get? Leave your answer in 5SF first. So do you get 14.615? You round it off to 14.6. Okay? Any questions on how to apply the formula? Okay, then try it yourself for number 6. We have finished. Who doesn't have the textbook? Where is your textbook? Did you bring it the last lesson? Who else didn't bring your textbook? Where is your textbook? Is the textbook important to you all? Wei Hao, Ali? Important. Then why never bring? Did you all bring your handphone? Did you bring your mobile phone? Yes, right. You? Did you bring your phone? Important, right? So your phone more important than studies, ah? Then why did you forget to bring your handphone? Do you forget to bring your handphone? No, right? You always bring it with you. I don't want to see any of this next time, huh? Okay, so Wei Hao, tell me what is the area of triangle XYZ. What should we do first? Ali, do you agree? Yes. You agree? Okay, so check what is the value. You all get this? Okay. What? Correct or not? Okay, next. Let's look at example number 7. So we have triangle A, B, C over here. This is 8, 5. So the area is equals to 19 square centimeters. Find the possible values of angle ABC. Okay, look at the question. Find the possible values. There could be two values. Right, Fina? Right, Irfan? Right? Right or not? Do you even know what I'm asking? Don't know. Stop chatting with her. Listen. We could have more than one value for angle ABC. So, how do we form an equation with all this information? You have the area. So, area is equals to half times AC. Why AB? Your A is a small a or a big A? Small a. Oh, okay. Half A. Then C sine B. Like that, is it? Okay. Yeah, we can do that. Can we now put in all the numbers that we have? Okay, area is 19 equals to half. What is your value of small a? 8. What is your value of small c? 5. And then our unknown now, right? Sine b, which is actually angle ABC lah. ABC, right? And yes, you can just write as B, but I'm changing it to ABC because in the question, they ask you for ABC. So I just try to make it the same as them. Now we are trying to find the value of sine ABC. So what should I do? Let's find out what this is first. 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, so how do I find out what is sine ABC? Okay, we divide by 20 on both sides. So I am now left with sine ABC equals to 19 over 20. Okay? Then what else do we remember from the previous lesson? Sine theta equals to sine 180 degrees minus theta, right? Remember this one? Remember? Okay, so now we have two options. And then I told you when you have sine angle equals to positive, you have two answers for the angle. Two possibilities. The first one is angle ABC is equals to sine inverse 19 over 20, or angle ABC equals to 180 degrees minus sine inverse 19 over 20. Do you remember this? It is from this portion. That's why we have two possibilities. Okay? Now, we continue to solve. How much is sine inverse 19 over 20? Okay, yeah, you get 71.805 degrees. I leave it to 3dp first. Or 180 degrees minus 71.805. You get 108.194 degrees. Then we round this off to 71.8 or 108.2 degrees. Okay? These are the two possible answers. Okay? Then, how can it be that a triangle has two possible angles for angle ABC? And then the side is 5 units, the other side is 8 units. Shouldn't we be able, if I ask you to draw a triangle with side 5, the other side 8, and then I give it the area to be 19 square centimeters, shouldn't you be able to draw only one triangle? But in this case, you get two possible triangles. At the bottom of the example, you see both of them. On the left hand side, the blue color triangle, you have the angle in between 5 and 8. The angle is 71.8 degrees. So half times 5 times 8 times sine 71.8 degrees, you will get 19 square centimeters. Then the other possible triangle is, the side is still 5, another side is still 8. The angle in between is 108.2 degrees. And after you use half AB sine C, you will still get 19 square centimeters for the area. These two triangles, they look different. They are not similar. They are not congruent. But they have the same area. And they have two of the same sides. Okay? Anybody confused? No? Okay, try it 7. Your turn to do it. The area of triangle ABC is 28. Why? What's the issue? The blue triangles, the 1919, right, is for example 7. Try it 7 has no diagram. You have to draw it out yourself. Okay? Hi. Have you done it? Finished already? Winnie Wong, finished? Hui, finished? Finished already. Do you have 2 answers? Hui, do you get the same answer? Same. Okay, all got the same one? Natasha, okay? Do you get the answer? Evan. Okay, continue. Afiq, do you get it? Not yet. Faik, do you get it? Do you get the answer? Not yet. Iklu, do you get it? Zafia? Okay, those of you who are still doing it, think about which part is holding you back. Which part are you having trouble with? Identify it, learn from it, so that next time you see the same question, you can work on it faster. Alright? What? Oh, okay. Go and catch up. Okay, can I move on? Kai, have you finished? Then what you're talking about? Yeah, you guys see that. Okay, I'm moving on to example number 8. Those who are done, go and read example 8 first. Try to understand the question. Right. Okay. Next, example number 8. You have a parallelogram. A, B, C, D. Okay, find the area of this parallelogram. What is the formula for the area of a parallelogram to begin with? Do you remember? We got half. The base times the perpendicular height. It is like a rectangle. Base times perpendicular height. So in this case, we don't know the perpendicular height. So we can, yes, we can split it into 2 equal parts this way. So now you have 2 congruent triangles because this side is also 6, this side is also 3.9, and this is 108 degrees. Right? The opposite sides have the same length, opposite angles are the same. So now I'm going to consider area of triangle ABD. How much is this area? Half. Okay, times 6 times 3.9 times sine 108 degrees. Okay, work this out. Okay, so that is the area of one triangle. The area for the whole parallelogram will therefore be, times 2 of ABCD equals to 2 times the area of the triangle ABD, which is 11.127, and you will get 254. And that is rounded off to 22.3 square meters. Okay? So now, try it 8. Try it yourself. Okay or not? Try it 8. Elephant, come and sit in front. Together with Teja, so you can see clearer. Hurry up. Shamin, have you finished? Finished? Yes? Have you finished? Then what are we doing? Selway finished? Darren finished? Finished. What do y'all get as the answer? 60? 16.7. Everybody got it? Did you all draw any line to help you? I suppose you drew this line? Okay, it's very faint. Drew this line? So the area will be 2 times of one triangle. So 2 times of one triangle, where one triangle is half. Okay, let me use another color. Half times 3.7 times 4.8 times sine 70 degrees. Okay? Purple color, numbers for purple color area. Ken, any questions? Shemaine, have you finished? Those who are done, start with your homework. Exercise 7.2, question 1, A, B, C, D. Exercise 7.2, question 1, A, B, C, D. Take out a piece of foolscap and start doing. Shemaine, finished? Finish or not? Okay, the rest of your homework question. Eh, 7.1 haven't given you. Ah, okay lor. What's your question again? I want you to start on 7.2 first. Your 7.1 should be work in progress already or completed since it's due tomorrow. (6.4) submission. Yes. Why is there so many people talking? Please take note. Question 1, the unit of length is centimeters. So 1A, area equals to half times 2, 3 sine 40 degrees. So you can do exactly what I'm doing as presentation. So that's 1A. Once you're done, look at your answers at the back, check that it's correct. Take your pen, put a tick. Yes, this is the answer. Why am I showing you the answer? Showing you the presentation. You can continue the rest yourself. It's very easy, right? Where is your homework 6.3? Who has just submitted? 6.3. I still have students who haven't submitted 6.3. Which was due last Friday. And then your 6.4 is due today. Forgot. Okay, later I'll show you again. 7.1 is due tomorrow. Why is it today? I give you all tomorrow. 7.1 is due tomorrow. 6.4 is due today. What? So if you let me hear, put it by picture, how you become 5 minutes. When is 7.2 due? Okay, let me continue to give you the other answers. You want me to give you the other answers? What are the one? No one? Okay, question 2. Let me choose questions from question 2. Which one do you want me to go through? Two, which one? A. A. Okay? Irfan wants 2A. Don't know why you want to choose the easy one. So area is equals to 2 times of half times 8 times 10 times sine 67 degrees. So then the answer will be So check your word, then put a tick if it is correct. Sophia, what are you doing? What are you doing? No, you're looking at Winnie. Okay, focus, focus. So this is 2A. I'm giving you time to do in class, so you better make full use of the time so that you do not come and tell me 2 days later you don't have time to finish it. Francis, finish not? Everything. Then why are you chatting? Okay, so you should have practice 1 and 2 already. I want to draw your attention to question 5. So everybody, please stop what you're doing. Take a look at question 5. Read the question. Question 5, they didn't give you a diagram. They tell you there's a parallelogram, ABCD. They gave you the length and one angle. So if you draw it out yourself, this is what you look like. Find the area of ABCD. How should we do this? Any ideas? How have we been finding the area of a parallelogram in question 2? We divide it into 2 congruent triangles, right? Can we do the same for this? Yes? How should we, what line should we draw? AC, okay? Then area of this parallelogram will be? So area of this will be? 2 times? Okay, half times 12 times 9, right? Because over here we also have 9. Okay? So this is the part you need to fill in yourself. This part is also 9, yes? Can we not do the what? Then what are you going to write? Straight away you're going to write 12 times 9 times sine 115, is it? Cannot. Because I don't know where you get that formula from. Yeah, I want the whole thing. I want to know that you know it is 2 times the area of a triangle. So I don't want you to leave these 2 out. So I am going to highlight it to tell you how important it is. Okay, so the area is given by this, and we have yep 97.8812 5 SF 97.9 square centimeters. Okay, so next part, find the perpendicular distance from B to AD. B to AD. What is this length that they are looking for? B to AD, one perpendicular line. So this is the line. What is the length of this green color line? How should we do it? How can you find the green color length? Do you remember the other formula for area of a parallelogram? I said it just now. Base times perpendicular height. This green color line, that is your perpendicular height, isn't it? And where is the base? The base is BC, which is 9. We can also consider AD as the base, which is also 9. So for part B, we can write the area equals to 9 times H, where this is H lah. Okay, you can sketch your diagram, label this as H, 9 times H. That is our area. And this is also given by what we found out previously, 97.881. Okay, so 97.881 equals to 9 times H. So H must be equals to 97.881 over 9. Answer? 10.875. Then check your answer. Once it is correct, put a tick, put a tick. Okay? Can I move on already? So just now I've already done 1A for you, 2A for you, and question 5. So the rest go and try yourself. Maybe I give you all one more question. Which question do you want me to go through? 12. Are you sure that is the hardest or not? Later, that is an easy question and too bad. Well, okay, 12. Question 12. Find the area of a regular decagon. What is a decagon? Do you remember? Are you sure? 8? 10. By the way, do you know why are they named like that? What's the relationship between? Why is deca 10? Yeah, okay, you can just remember this way. A decade is 10 years, right? How about octa? How do you remember that? Octopus 8, right? Does the word octo remind you of something else? What? The what? No, not that. The month. October. But what's the number? Strange or not? How about December? DEC. What? What kind? Why? Kai. So, December. Have you thought of December? It sounds like your DECA, right? How come that one is 12? Is there yeah, that looks like there's a pattern of -2, right? Have you thought of why is it like that? Are they? No lah, not magic. You know why? No, there is a reason one. Yeah. You all can go and wait, so what is it about February? You all go and find out yourself. No, it's not conspiracy theory. Go and find out yourself. Okay. Never mind. Next. Now I have a decagon. It has 10 sides. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I did draw it very nicely. So a 10-sided figure, find the area. Yes. Okay, so this is my diagram. I have a 10-sided figure. It is inside a circle. The radius is 12. Because this is a regular 10-sided figure, I can divide this into equal triangles. Okay, so I say again, I didn't draw it very nicely, but if I were to divide this, I will get equal triangles, correct? All these triangles are congruent, they are equal. So I want to find the area of this decagon. That will be, area of this decagon is equals to, come, give me a plan. What's a good plan? Area of all the triangles. How many are there? 10. 10 times half times base. How much is the base? Are we using half base times height or half AB sine C? Half AB sine C, right? So for example, if we choose to just focus on this triangle, which is the same as every other triangle, then this side also 12 cm, this is also 12 cm, right? So half times A times B, so half times side times sine what? What is this angle here? How do we find that angle? 360 divided by 10. There are 10 triangles. 360 over 10. Okay? So this. Which 10? This 10? This over here. Area of one triangle. Okay, so with this we can continue and calculate. Okay? So I have also done number 12 for you. Okay, the rest. So for this one, these questions at least I want to see correct presentation. What? No, they ask for the whole thing. This one is one triangle only. I need to multiply by 10 to get this. This is my final answer. Because I multiply by 10 already. Yes.